Hi, and welcome to this is Sophie Youngs, and this is a tool learning video number 2 for my IDT 740 Design Studio class. And the tool I'm going to present is FlowLab.io. My last one was on FlowLab.io, but this one goes further into it. What we're going to learn is the importance of walls, intro to behaviors, making a character move, and if there's time, we're going to show and tell what I've done so far with the 2 video games that I've created. All right, so this might look a little different than we picked up off last time. I added water here on the bottom, and then I've added a wall over here. Now, if you click play, you don't actually see the wall. It's off the screen. But the purpose of the wall is to make sure that my character doesn't just fall off into the abyss because there's nothing over here. I actually had this happen to me once where my character was running along and then just went bloop, went off the edge of the world, and I couldn't get him back because he just fell and fell and fell and fell. So it's important to set the parameters up, set up boundaries for your character so they can actually stay and be playable in the world that you have created. Now, that's the importance of walls. Intro to behaviors. I have this character that I put in here, but he doesn't do anything. He just falls because gravity tells him to. So you go in and edit him, and you see this behaviors box. So then you can click behaviors, and it takes you into all these different behaviors over here that you can have. So you have your triggers. That is what happens to make something else happen. You have your logic and math, and these are usually your something else that's going to happen. You have components that can do neat things. Your properties that can help facilitate motions and movements and animations and things. You have your GUI, which are basically like, we'll send an alert, have like a bar for health or time limit, and you can put labels out there for your characters, your players to see. Game flow, what will happen if you do something, if that pauses the game or go on to the next level. And I haven't really done anything with mobile device, multiplayer, or behavior bundles. Behavior bundles are basically like I can attach this run and jump bundle to my character and it'll make him run and jump. But that didn't do anything to make him run and jump. It was already all pre-programmed. So that's all great and everything, but I want to show you what they actually do. Okay, so I usually use the keyboard to make my characters move, so I use the arrow keys. I'm going to use left, right, and up. So 1, 2, 3. Click it 3 times, end up with 3 triggers. And they are blank right now. They don't have anything in them. So you got to click on them, click change key, left, click on them, click change key, right. All I'm doing is pressing the key on my keyboard up. So when I press up, I want him to jump. When I press the right, I want him to go right. When I press left, I want him to go left. But right now I haven't done anything. These triggers trigger, but they don't trigger anything to happen. So now you need to go into your logic, math, components, or properties to get the things that you want him to do. So I want him to move left, but the next thing you have to question is how far left? So you go into logic and math, and you're going to have a number. And I pulled out one for each of these because I need one for each. A number. How far left am I going to make him move when I press left? So you go in, and I want this to be left. Give it labels. Left, since this is on a grid, left would be negative movement. So 1, 2, 3, -3. Right would be a positive movement. So 1, 2, 3. And up, in this case, the way it's going to be set up needs to be negative. Okay, maybe 10. Now, you have to attach a velocity to all 3 of these. Now, the velocity of x is left and right. So you're going to connect your left and your right to the x. Up is on the up and down vertical axis, so you want it to be on the y. So it tells it which way the velocity is supposed to go. Then your keyboard, this is your left. When it's pressed down, you want it to input that your guy's going to go -3 units. When you press down right, you want it to input that your guy's going to go right 3 units. When you press down for the up, it wants you're telling it to go -10 velocity up. And you can check it out by pressing this play button right here. So he fell because of gravity. Now I'm going to press the right key. Look at him move. And I'm pressing. It's kind of annoying, right? So I'm going to make him go left. Holding it down. He only moved one time. Press. That's a lot of pressing. There's something we can do for that. Now let's check up. Look, he comes pretty good. But if I go over to the thing and go up, there's no way he's going to jump up onto the next level. So I need to edit that. First, we're going to hit stop. I'm going to address the continual pressing. You can come in here to the left and right and click repeating. So that means when you hold it down, it will continuously tell the character to go left and right. Then for up, I want it to be able to jump higher. So I'm going to make it 16. We'll see if that works. We can press play. Now I'm going to hold down right, hold down left, and he just keeps going. And you can see where if you look at I'm going to get ready to do left. If you look here, you can see where the programming actually goes through because it highlights it. Oh, okay, then up. Wow, that's a lot. I don't think I need my guy to jump that high. So I can adjust that while I'm in the practice mode. And try it again. Press OK. Try again. Jump. 12 looks okay. Maybe 13? That looks even better. So now when he jumps, he's going to be able to go to the next level. Perfect. Wonderful. I like that. So that's making a character move. And now here's some show and tell. So now when we go in here and play, if someone were to come to my game, they would be able to move this guy left and right, jump him up to continue on to the game. Oh, but he's fallen off into the abyss. I'll show you how to make the camera follow him one of these times. All right. Show and tell. Let's see if the programming is working today. You're going to click start, and your little piggy will jump up to the correct one. Now, the correct answer should project him all the way up to the next level that's up here. It doesn't. Even though it did for my nieces the other day. Okay. And then when you get up to the next one, you should go through the door and it should take you to the next level. And it doesn't, even though it did literally yesterday. All right. The next game is a digging game. So you press the space bar and he turns into a pickaxe and there's sound effects. See that? And so you can destroy something to make your way through. Notice how I can't destroy that. And you only want to collect the quartz. So my little dog runs, and when he jumps, he has a different level, a different animation. And you can see up here in the corner that I have 2 points because I collected the correct thing. I can't jump there. I can't destroy that, so I got to jump around it. Now, this is not a mineral. But if I collect it, it actually takes points away. La, 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 la. So that's cool. So you just dig through and you collect things that are minerals. And that's the end of my show and tell. Thank you for watching. Next time I'll show you even more, or maybe I'll have a different tool by then to show you how to do things. Have a good day. I want you to stop.